So a few days ago, I recorded a tiny little class talking about my favorite reading rule, which is College Wizard's best reading rule and how we use it on the SAT. Today, I'm actually going to talk about math, and I'm going to go so simple. It's annoying, but I think you should just stick around and we'll look at this. And it will help your SAT tremendously. It really will. So don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to comment, to like. Please let me know if you find these helpful. My idea is to make tons of these and to make the College Wizard method democratic and available to everyone. If you're interested and you want to support our channel and our cause, I'm all aboard with making this public. I've spoken with Harvey from the College Wizard, and he thinks that if people knew the system more, we'd get lots more support and lots more kids involved. So if we do, we could actually make things available for everybody, and we could have free courses and we could have videos and things going on. So just let us know if you like these videos, if you find them helpful. Please subscribe, please like, please follow us, and let us know. Let us know what you think. All right, so math rules. So the most important math rule of all is that sometimes you don't have to do math at all. The SAT is a really interesting test in that it's a little complicated, but it's more like a puzzle. And there are a lot of really simple things that are just glaring at you in the face because it's a multiple choice test. So, what are the steps that you should follow before you get nervous, before you start engaging with the SAT? Always look at the question, read the question carefully. Then survey the information and make mental notes and even write notes out. Write down the things that are really important and organize that information together. Now, the last thing that you have to do, but this is probably the most important step, look at the answer choices and reflect a little bit whether you can use the answer choice to work the mathematics backwards. Can you actually use the answer to plug it in to the formulas that you have, to reason it backwards, to think, oh, maybe we can go ahead and cross out choices A, B, C, for example, because they don't make sense or because they wouldn't apply to this question? Oftentimes, you will notice that the answer is glaring at you in the face. And that is a very powerful place to be. The less mathematics you have to do, the more time you save, the more brain power you save, and the easier it will be to navigate the entire test. So this is a famous SAT example that I really want to show you and analyze a little bit, because look at this. The question says the following: which is an equivalent form of the equation of the graph, the following one, the one that's up there, shown in the XY plane above, from which the coordinates of vertex A can be identified as constants in the equation. So I've actually scribbled all over this just because I thought it was important. Notice vertex A. If you notice on the axis, it's right underneath minus 15. Do you see it? Not quite at 15? Okay, that's very important. And if you look at the axis, it's on 1. So it's 1 and something that's underneath minus 15. Look at all your answer choices. There is only one answer choice that is underneath minus 15. If you look at answer choice D, it says minus 16. Huh, that could be possible, right? And look at the other number, 1 and minus 16. Don't those numbers look correct? Now look at the other options if you'd like. None of them work. Only that one. So just by looking at the graph and just by looking at the answer choices, you can come up with a reasonable solution. That point, A, is probably 1 comma minus 16. Answer choice D looks like your right answer. So you can actually put those numbers in there, look at the formula, work with it backwards if you want to, if you're feeling nervous. But that looks like a really good answer to go with. And it is the right answer choice. So always read the question, look at the information, and before you even engage with math, when you're doing the SAT, look at your answer choices. All right, guys, I hope that was helpful. I hope you have a lovely, lovely day. And please come back to my channel if you want to see more and hear more of these. Take care. Bye bye.